Hi guys, today we talk about how can you join a clip on your Planet Fitness app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go about this photo here in app, click on it. Then it's going, when you click on this photo here, it's going to take us to this list. And all you have to do now, just click here on my information here, and you click here online clip membership here. Then you click here on join a clip. So then just switching to open video, then here can you add your zip code here or your location. So I'm going to add my, so you just add it for New York in United States here. So here can you add your zip code here or your location. Then here can you show for your clips here. You just, if you want to show clips details here, or if you plans here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this clip here or clip here. Can you join it on your Planet Fitness app? That's all. So here can you add price here, then just select it here, add your card information, then it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.